This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Aldrin Taliman. This home offers 2,109 square feet with 4 bedroom and 3 full bath in a very nice neighborhood with a community pool. Open floor plan. Has an extra space that can be used as an office or a formal dining. Chisholm School District. The sale of this is contingent upon the successful closing of the property that the sellers are currently under contract with. By appointment only. For more information, review the details below or contact Aldrin Taliman at 580-237-6200.